Getting into the unbox. Interior. I think I'm gonna have to move this whole thing down. Test. Oh, look. Okay, I could not be happier. Guys, it is finally summer, and my kids love playing in the sprinklers. I love taking good care of the lawn, but I am working off of this old sprinkler box that we've had for our entire time here. And today it's time to install this IMOLAZA Ultra water-saving smart sprinkler system. Okay, so I've been using this new IMOLAZA Smart Sprinkler Controller for a few days now, and honestly, guys, I love this thing way more than I expected to. And I kind of thought that upgrading to a smart controller was gonna be this complicated all-day task, but instead, the entire install and setup took me less than an hour. And now I can control every sprinkler zone in my yard right from my phone. The app shows photos of every zone, so I never forget what's what, and it even connects to the local weather so that it can automatically adjust watering schedules. Honestly, if you've been putting off a project like this because it feels or sounds intimidating, I promise you, it is way easier than you think. So let me show you exactly how I installed it. There's 4 things that I'm not very good at as a DIY guy. 240 volt electrical, mudding and taping, plumbing, and sprinklers. Well, we're gonna try to set this up today. Here we go. Let's get into the unboxing. Looks like we've got some stickers here, some instructions, a mounting template, and then look at this. This looks like an interior box. A lot of people have these on the outside of their homes, but mine is in my garage right here, so we'll go ahead and put this up and replace our current box. Got our box here. Open it up. Already so superior to the one that we've got. Old thing. If I take this piece off, okay, looks like we've got our power, we've got our keys, and our little mounting brackets there. This is how we hook up to our power. We'll punch through there, and then I think we just hook our zones right up to here. All right, one of the very first instructions here, it says to remove your old controller. Before we do that, I'm just gonna turn on all the zones and label them so I know which ones go where. All right, now that we have this all labeled, we can take this thing off. With it unplugged, I'll just go ahead and snip these wires. All right, this is power, I don't need that. But I do need these guys. So let's just pull these out one at a time and label them. And it said to take a photo of this. Loosen that enough to take it out. Let's remove all of these. All right, even though this has served us well, let's do one of these. So now we've got our little template for our new guy. Nothing against the anchors that it came with. These are fine. I just really kind of like these screw-in anchors. Let's hook up our zones, then let's hook up our power. Okay, let's look. Our next one was blue, and the last one is our station number 6. All ready to go. So our sprinklers are hooked up now. Now what we need to do is run power, and we have that right here. We've got it all tidy and ready for us. I'm gonna run it through the same hole as my wiring, just to kind of keep it all clean. I can keep this. And one thing I will also do is I'm gonna reduce the size of this to make it just what we need, which is not very much. Okay, so I can plug that in right there. We'll clip this, we'll strip it. This time I will use the included electrical connectors. Now I have wire strippers. I'll show you the right way to do it, and I'll show you how I've always done it. So you get your gauge, you know, your 14 gauge, strip it like that. But how I've always done this, if I didn't have the right wires, 2 front teeth, like that. But we'll do it the right way. We have our 3 included wire nuts. We'll use them, black to black. We don't have any electricity on, it's not plugged in, so We're okay to do this with our bare hands. Twist this wire nut, righty tighty, white to white, ground to ground, and let's turn it on and just see if it fires up. We got lights, that's a good sign. Let's look at the instructions for what to do next. All right, this next step is the part that I am the most excited about. It says, download the app. Oh, I am thrilled to be able to control my sprinklers from my phone. Let's download the app and see what it looks like. All right, moment of truth here. It says to test the zones, say test zone. Test. Oh, look. Here they come. Okay, this is awesome. Hey, do you want to take a photo of your zone? Yeah, I do. Boom. It's got all this cool stuff, like what kind of soil type? We're in Utah, it's terrible. Okay, it gets lots of sun. It's got a slight slope. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, I could not be happier. I literally just went back and geeked out on this thing. I went to every zone and just manually from my phone, I can go ahead and turn everything on one by one. I love it. I am so excited about this. Thank you, IMOLAZA, for this product. I love it, and we'll see you in the next one.